To get started with a new farm in Farmax, begin at the Cloud window. This should be displayed automatically when you first open Farmax. If not, click Open. In Farmax, a farm is defined as an area of land with a unique name, area and region. Every scenario within that farm will be automatically populated with these non-editable properties. To begin, click New Farm. If you are not set up for billing or are working offline, this option may not be available. To get set up for billing, please contact the Farmax help desk. To get Farmax back online, check your internet connection, then close and reopen the application. After selecting New Farm, enter the farm name, then from the drop-down, choose the region, then the district, then type in the affected area. Be sure to untick "This is a real farm" if you are not creating a real farm. Click Create Farm. You are now asked to confirm the creation of a new Farmax Analysis subscription. Select Yes and the farm is populated in the Cloud window. To upgrade to a higher level subscription, such as Farmax Professional or Farmax Advantage, please contact the help desk. To get started setting up the farm, you'll first need to make a new scenario file. Select New File, and under each farm you can create as many scenario files as you would like at no extra charge. From here, you can name the file and assign it to the correct farm and folder. Click OK. The scenario file is populated in the Cloud window, and you can click Open to begin working in the file.